Hi, there's another day in the garage. I'm still searching for some motivation because, as you saw in the last video, most probably a lobe from the camshaft from the new one is flat. And now that means I need to take that one out again and see what's going on. It also means that this stuff needs to come out again: the turbo, the carb, the generator, the intake manifold, all of that stuff needs to come out again, also the radiator. And yeah, I will start to do that now. Let's go. I took off the engine cover now, and I can already see that something is wrong with the hydraulic tappet. If you take a look here, that's the new camshaft. Like, it's difficult. Like here, everything is how it should be. Here also, it's pretty good. And now this one here is the faulty one. And you can see that tappet here is not straight anymore. Whoop. Here. Something happened here. It turns. It's possible to turn it. But something happened. Let's find out what. We take a nut here. A little moment. What is it? 13? No. It's so annoying on this car, on this particular car. You have all the time some different size of screws. It's crazy. So let's take off the nut here. Let's take off the arm. This looks still good. Let's take out looks also good. Here from the top, looks good too. There's a lot of oil, but okay. It should be like that. And now let's take it out. Need to take some magnet here, where I have it. There. Whoop. Come on. I think it's difficult to take out because now the top at the top of the tappet is not round anymore, and so it's not possible to take it out. It flows nice, but from here not possible anymore. I think I need to take out the cam, and then I need to take the tappet out like from downside. Yeah, okay, good. Let's go ahead. Okay, let's go ahead. Good. Once more, I'm ready to take out the camshaft, but I'm not so motivated, and I can tell you why. On this cylinder here, on this one, I had the problem, and it's not possible to take it out like this because it's damaged. Here is some sharp part, and that's why I cannot take it through without forcing, but then I will damage something here. So that means I need to hold it up. I have a magnet here holding the tappet up, need to take out the camshaft, and then I need to take out this tappet through the bottom. And yeah, I just hope that thing will not fall into the engine or I will be fucked. So first of all, I will take the cam out, and then I will try to take the tappet out. So wish me luck. Oh, I'm a bit further. That's the wrong car in the background. Yeah, that's the right car. Now the camshaft is back out again. Let's take a look again. So, no camshaft in it. Whoa. Oh, that looks pretty good. No camshaft in it. This one is right here, and you can clearly see that something went wrong in the break-in process. So if you look to these lobes here, they look all good, all nice and clean, all dark, or how to say, I don't know. They all look good, but you already can see here that here something went horribly wrong. There's some material, it's not oil or something, it looks like that. It looks like sanded or grinded down. Just failed while breaking in. A lot of material here is missing. If you look to that lobe, it should look sharp like that. But here, there's so much material missing here. So, and it even gets worse when you look to the tappet. I don't even need to comment that, yeah, it looks just bad. I need to do some light. Here, oh, it just looks bad here. Yeah. That, you see that is just, something went wrong here while break-in period. If we look to that one looks great, nothing to complain. It was running on this lobe, all perfect, but this here is really, it's just fucked up. If you ask the question if this one was maybe hanging a bit, let's take a good one and go into here, and if you look here, it goes nice and clean. There's no problem here. So for sure it was a problem in the material. So I will look with the supplier, or with the supplier, that I will get a replacement cam. And until then, I just need to wait. I hope everything will go great. I'm sure they don't have that one in stock. So I just need to wait, need to look, need to clean up everything, to prepare everything, to put together when everything is here. And until then, I just can wait. What to say more? It's really sad. I really like to do work like that. I really love to work on engines, but to do that work twice is not really nice. I really, yeah, and I don't know. And next time when I will put the new cam in and do the break-in, I just hope it will work. It's not so great that we have cams like that in cars like this, but it's like it is, and I just hope for the best. We'll look for the warranty now and then go ahead, but for sure it will take a few weeks because we're still in Switzerland here and everything needs some time to come from there to here and blah blah blah. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching. It's really nice that some of you like that and it keeps me going on. So have a good time. I hope you will see me soon. And yeah, bye bye.